music, our poetry, all our literature, everything. Rohini will now present a very unique composition. It is a song, a ghazal written by Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah, who belonged to the 15th century, late 15th century. He was the emperor in the Sultanate of Bijapur, our current Bijapur in Karnataka. He has written several songs. These Adil Shahs also patronized and encouraged art, architecture, literature, and there is a very well-known work called Kitab-e-Noras, written by Ibrahim Adil Shah, containing several poems. And one of the ghazals we have taken, our guru has taken and choreographed, which says, the poet says, Ek nari dekhya khadi samne. So here the visualization is how Ibrahim Adil Shah, who's enjoying the paintings, his collections, happens to see a painting and he says, let me see what this is. He's very curious and he sees a most beautiful portrait of a lady and he says, how do I describe the beauty of this lady? Is she a Brahmani? Is she a Turkini? Aliye, how beautiful she is. She looks like Poonam Raat ki Makar Chandani. She looks like the full moon, and he further describes that she is like nature. Her beauty, he compares it with nature. How her eyes are like the sprightly deer, how her braid is like that of a creeper, how her smile is like that of a flower. Professor Kandan is here. This is also there in Kumara Sambhava. Kalidas has described like this of Parvati's beauty comparing to nature. So here we see the reflection of all these culminating in our dances. Here even the temperament of a woman is not spared and a very poetic comparison is done. Her anger is like that of a natural calamity. It's not a problem, but it's a natural calamity. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಂಡಸರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಕೋಪ ಹೆಂಗಸರ ಕೋಪ ಅದೊಂದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲಾಮಿಟಿಯೇ. ಆದರೆ in art, how everything becomes so beautiful, so fine, everything is seen in a very idealistic and positive way. By doing such art forms, music, dance, poetry, it only does one thing. We don't know if it does anything great, but it nourishes and nurtures a person. What our gurus have felt, we are feeling now, and then our next generation is feeling. And Rohini is also faculty teaching. Her students who are all sitting here, they will be feeling in future. This is the beauty of our parampara, our tradition. And I'm so grateful that we are able to do our Indian art forms and involve in that. Rohini will be now presenting a ghazal, after which she will conclude with a tarana, musical composition for this evening. Ghazal, the choreography is by our guru, Dr. Maya Rao. This was her favorite composition and my favorite too. And Rohini said, I love it, can I try? So first time she's doing this composition. She seeks all your blessings. Ghazal.
चितर नश के होए मानी, जो मोज पर मोज आवे पा बोले बाता शीरी जुबानी, इब्राहिम मिलते चरण धरो पेशानी, चरण धरो पेशानी। एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने, 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 एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने। पूनम रात की मकर चांदनी, पूनम रात की मकर चांदनी, या झमके मेघरूत सौदामिनी, या झमके मेघरूत सौदामिनी। एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने, एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने। बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी, बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी, बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी, बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी। ओ न जाने तुर्किनिया बरहामिनी, ओ न जाने तुर्किनिया बरहामिनी। आप नर रूप आप सुहागिनी, आप नर रूप आप सुहागिनी। दश रूप ईश्वर की लाई निशानी, दश रूप ईश्वर की लाई निशानी। बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी, बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी। बहुरूप खेले खेले कामिनी एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने एक नारी देखिया एक नारी देखिया एक नारी देखिया खड़ी सामने
The concerts here get over sharp at 8 o'clock. So we would like to conclude the performance with a tarana. As we all know,